Hello, and welcome to this AutoCAD tutorial where we will explore the concept of using circular patterns in both 2D and 3D workspaces. We'll start by creating a basic 2D design, then move on to convert it into 3D and use the circular pattern tool to replicate our design. Additionally, we'll explore other AutoCAD tools like the associated pattern and understand how to enhance your designs efficiently. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating a 2D design. 1.5 minutes ***. First, we're working in the 2D workspace. Begin by drawing a simple circle. This will represent the base for our design. You can use the Circle tool, which is located on the Home tab in the Draw panel. Click on the center point and drag to create a circle of your desired radius. Next, let's draw a line or any other object inside the circle to form part of our design. For this, we'll use the Line command. Click to start your line from the center, extending it outward or creating a shape that fits within the circle. Step 2. Switching to 3D workspace. 1 minute ***. Once our 2D design is ready, we can switch to the 3D workspace to convert our drawing into 3D objects. Go to the top right corner of the screen, and switch the workspace from 2D drafting and annotation to 3D modeling. In this 3D workspace, we'll now work on transforming our 2D circle into a 3D object. Use the Extrude command, which is located in the Modeling panel under the Solid section. Select the circle and use the command to give it height, turning it into a 3D cylinder. You can specify the extrusion height based on your design requirements. Step 3. Using 3D tools to enhance the model. 1.5 minutes ***. Now that we have our basic 3D shape, let's enhance it further. Let's use the Cone command to create a cone, and the Spiral command to form a spiral design on the surface. To create a cone, go to the Modeling panel, select Cone, and click to define the center point and the radius. You can specify the height of the cone as well. For the spiral, go to the Helix tool. This tool allows you to create a 3D spiral that can be used for creating threads or decorative patterns. Adjust the number of turns and the height of the spiral to fit your model's requirements. Step 4. Applying the circular pattern. 1 minute ***. With your 3D objects created, it's time to apply the circular pattern. The circular pattern tool allows you to duplicate objects around a specified center point, creating an evenly spaced arrangement. In the 3D workspace, go to the Pattern panel under the Modify tab and select the Circular Pattern command. Select the objects you want to pattern, in this case, the cone or spiral. Define the center point of your circle. This will be the point around which the path.
Let's dive deeper into the Circular Pattern tool. After you've created your objects, the Circular Pattern command becomes really powerful, especially when you need to create multiple identical components around a central point. This is common in mechanical and architectural designs. When selecting the objects to pattern, you can choose a single object or a group of objects. After selecting the objects to copy, you'll need to define the center point of the pattern. This can be the center of the circle or another point where you want the pattern to radiate from. Next, you can define the number of copies you want to create and specify the angle between each object. For example, if you want 6 evenly spaced instances, you would set the angle to 60 degrees, 360 degrees divided by 6. You can also opt to create a full circle or only part of it, depending on your design needs. Another important feature of the circular pattern is the ability to rotate the objects after the pop. Now, let's talk about associative patterns in AutoCAD. This feature is invaluable when working with designs that may need to be adjusted or updated frequently. An associative pattern links the patterned objects to their original geometry, meaning that if you make changes to the original object, the pattern automatically updates. For instance, if you scale or move the original object, the patterned instances will follow suit, preserving consistency across your design. To create an associative pattern, simply check the associative box when using the pattern command. This ensures that the relationship between the original object and its copies remains intact, allowing for flexible and dynamic modeling. This feature is especially helpful in designs like mechanical assemblies, where the position or size of one component may affect the rest. Other patterning tools in AutoCAD, 1 minute ***. Besides the circular pattern tool, AutoCAD offers several other patterning tools that can be used to create varied and complex designs. Rectangular pattern ***. This tool creates an array of objects arranged in rows and columns, which is perfect when you need objects evenly spaced in both directions. You can adjust the number of rows, columns, and the spacing between them. It's highly useful in creating grids, such as in architectural floor plans or when working with tiles and structural elements. Path array ***. With the path array, you can arrange objects along a defined path, such as